Kuzu Zangpola, welcome back to my math session. Today I'll help you understand how to determine the LCM of three numbers. LCM of three numbers. Okay, three numbers. We have two methods to determine the LCM. The first one is by listing down all the multiples of the given numbers, and second one is by using the prime factorization method, that is by finding the prime factors of the given numbers. But for now, let me use the second method, that is to find the LCM using prime factors. Suppose if I have this question, find the LCM of 4, 6 and 10, LCM of these three numbers. First of all, I'm going to list down the prime factors of 4. So 4 is equal to 4, 6 and 10. They're all even number. 4 can be written as 2 times 2. So 2 times 2. And since I have repeated 2's coming, so I can write it as a power. I have two 2's. Therefore, this can be written as 2 times 2 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. 6 can be, again 6 is even. Therefore, I can easily multiply by 2 with a certain number, and the product should give me 6. So 2 times 3 will give you 6. So 2 times 3. Since this 2 and 3, they are different numbers, different prime factors, I need not write this one in the form of a power. So I'm going to leave my answer as it is. 10 is an even number. Therefore, 10 can be written as 2 times 5. So 2 times 5 is what we have for 10. These are the prime factors for 10. After this one, we need to list down. So we need to list down the highest power of each prime numbers. So after this, we need to take the highest power of each prime number we have here. I have three different prime numbers, 2, 3 and 5. The highest power of each prime number, I'm going to list it down. The highest power of 2 is 2 raised to 2. And the highest power of 3 is 3 only, 3 raised to 1. We need not write this 1. And the highest power of 5 is 5 raised to 1. Again, you're going to get 5 here. Therefore, the LCM of your 4, 6, 10 is equal to, you simply need to take the highest powers, okay, and then multiply 2 raised to 2 times 3 times 5. I need to take all this, and when I multiply, I'm going to get 2 raised to 2 is 4 times 3 times 5. 4 3 is 12. So 12 times 5 is 60. So this is the LCM of these three numbers here, 4, 6 and 10. Let us do one more question to reinforce your understanding. Suppose if I have to find the LCM of these three numbers here, 9 and 12 and 15. If you're asked to find the LCM of 9, 12 and 15 using the same method, first of all, find the prime factors of 9. 9 we know is an odd number, therefore 9 cannot be divided by 2. So I'm not going to use 2. Instead, I'm going to start with 3. So 3 times 3 will give you 9. 3 times 3. Since we have two 3's, so I can write this one as a power, which is 3 raised to the power of 2. I have two 3's. That is why the number of 3's that we have will come as an exponent. Now let us go to 12. 12 is an even number. Therefore, I can easily multiply a number with 2 to get 12. So 2 times 6 will give you 12. 6 is not a prime number. We need to break this down. So 2 times 3 will give you 6. Therefore, the prime factors of this 12, they are 2 times 2 times 3. I have two 2's here. Therefore, I can simplify this whole expression and write it as 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3. And if I go to the last number that we have, 15, 15 is an odd number. Therefore, I should start with 3. I should start with 3 because 2 cannot divide this 15. So if I start with 3, 3 times 5 will give you 15. 3 times 5. Now after this, we need to list down the highest power of each prime factor. Highest power of each prime factor. So I have three different prime factors. First one is 2, second one is 3, and third one is 5. So the highest power of 2 is going to be 2 raised to 2, and the highest power of 3 is going to be 3 raised to 2, and the highest power of 5 is simply 5. Okay, 5 raised to the power of 1, which is simply 5. Now my LCM will be equal to, therefore my LCM will be equal to LCM of 9, 12 and 15. 9, 12 and 15 will be equal to, you need to multiply all these highest powers, and you're going to get 2 raised to 2 times 3 raised to 2 times 5. And if I multiply, simplify, calculate, let us calculate, you'll get 2 raised to 4 is 2 raised to 2 is 4 times 3 raised to 2 is 9 times 5. And I know that 4 times 5 is 20, so 20 times 9 will give you 180. Therefore, the LCM of 9, 12 and 15 is 180. I hope you understood. Thank you everyone. See you next time.